Yabona, the same love and adoration that you guys have for content creators overseas. I wish you can just share a slice of that with your local content creators. Hey, the way you just quick to defend your people that are not your people. Because your people are here. Sidla sonke John 14 mas. Sidla sonke amagwinya kasis Rose. Manje why nikhulumela laba abadla in and out? Abadla imakbanga. A seafood boil. When you know we are here together in Putu and in Komas, don't do that. Pathulula. Ngiyanamukela kwinqubo yami bomuntu abakade hari bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. We have a January special, so if you want more traffic on your platform, Sware Kamu Khala Didi. Yo, you guys are like, Sims, what is going on? Guys, today I'm doing a marathon of videos. It's called the marathon because I just want to close out the first week of January so that we are all on the same level when it comes to indaba zasemhlabeni, so that we all know everything, so that when we move to the next week, we start afresh. Hi, Nina. Twitter. So you remember that content creator? Oh, he's a streamer. He's a streamer now. Or I Show Speed was here in South Africa. He was doing like an African tour because he went to Zimbabwe and then Ghana. Anyway, when he was here in South Africa, the South African crowd were loving him, eating him up. Like he has never received so much love. He was like, what? When I was in Europe, I didn't get this much love. But in South Africa, the love is booming. The love is on fire. We love it for him, even though he snubbed our South African content creators. And why were you guys laughing at the fact that he was mising our South African content creators? That's not nice. Like, you guys love humbling. You love humbling people that are from your local area, in the 18 area. You love seeing them being humbled by international celebrities or influencers or in. You just love, you're like, yeah, they must know that they are also just like us to other people. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. They are like coleslaw. Seven colors. Well, I understand. They're only coming here once. But every day you know that you eat gravy. Every day you know that you eat gravy. So treat your gravy well. Because you know that when coleslaw is not there, your gravy will always be there. So don't do that. Anyway, so on Twitter, right, there's an account by the name of Babalo Maseko. And then they wrote, there was a video of Uspitsta swimming in the devil's pool. Ne? This is the devil's pool. We are swimming by Uspitsta. Hi, okay. Streaming for his audience sharp. And then someone comes and says, if this was Upopi, our Poppy, our content creator who is not afraid of the Amazon jungle, the rivers, the seas. Poppy goes everywhere and anywhere. But to watch her content, you have to be part of her close friends. Where on Instagram, because why? You pay to watch that content, Eyaga Poppy. So this person was like, yo, if this was Poppy, she would make us pay to watch her do this. And I loved the comment section because people are like, as she should. First of all, Americans know that this is their business, this is how they make money, and the audience understands that this is their business. That's why Americans support financially, they donate, they do whatever they can for their faves when it comes to finances. Like, that's why American content creators always like make coins, and content creation to them is like a serious business because they make large revenue from it. Okay. And then people are like, how else is she supposed to travel? How else is she supposed to keep giving us content if we don't support it financially? And then she was like, she could open a YouTube channel and make AdSense from it. Yes, she could do that. But what are the guarantees that she's always going to get high peaking views on YouTube? And what is the guarantee that she'll get support from her audience financially on YouTube? Because she'd also have to open a membership on YouTube. You understand? She'd really have to also open a membership on YouTube if she wanted more financial assistance from her audience. Okay, she's found a way to make money from her audience by what? Putting her content on close friends, ensuring that abantu bazombukela and then abantu bazoyenzani bazoyibhadalela close friends. So I love that as they were comparing Opopino and Show Speed, people were quick to shut it down. They're like, before we carry on with this video, if you want to host on Airbnb but you don't have property, don't have furniture, but you want to make an extra stream of income, join the WhatsApp group down below in your description box. Goog's whole things has heard us, and sorry, besides filling in the Google form because it has an overwhelming number of people showing interest, here is a WhatsApp group so that you can partake in the online classes that are going to start. May no man be left behind. So hit the description box, click the link, it will take you to the WhatsApp group so that you can participate and be a part of it, because my men are financially, we need to buy. Yeah, so I was just so like pleasantly surprised by the people in the comment section saying that no sissy, no sissy, wrong. Laba ba wrong, laba bangekho right, because guys, honestly, content creation is not easy. And I also feel like it doesn't have like a huge lifespan, because every day there's a new content creator coming into town. There's someone new every day coming on new on these platforms, and people like also suffer from a content fatigue. Like, yes, when you started out, you were watching this person all the time, and then you found someone else to watch, which is not a problem, because why? The platform is big enough for all of us. This is why when you go and you create your YouTube channel today, it will never say no, there's too many channels. It will allow you to create your YouTube channel. It's just that your tribe will find you. You must just be consistent and hold on and just pray that the algorithm picks you up so that you can also like be like up there and being watched. I still have people, luckily, thank God, I have people that supported me from day one when I started out my journey, and they are still here. 7 years later, they are still here. I have people that, yo, since I used to watch you, and then maybe now they find me on TikTok, they're like, how, since you're still online? Yes, I am. We need to like keep growing, keep evolving, keep changing. And I almost said unfortunately for me, but fortunately for me, gule niche that I'm in, commentary, I don't think commentary will ever go out of fashion. You know why? There's always news, there's always things happening all the time. People always want to be updated. So I still love doing it. I'll still be here. I mean, Wendy Williams did it and did it and did it until when she couldn't do it anymore. But there was still a platform for her. Yes, I understand. I'm going to have my colleagues in the same niche doing the same thing, and you guys might like drift towards them. You guys might want to watch other people doing the same thing, which is also okay, but there will always be space for me and my core audience, because for the longest time, for years, I've heard I'm boring because I don't get straight to the point. I beat around the bush. I'm not issue. Like, I've heard so many things about me, but I don't let those things deter me. They were like, no, it seems you can't be like the nice guy in like, I am who I am, and I'm not gonna change because you came and you watched me and you wanted me to say what you wanted me to say, how you wanted me to say it, and then I didn't do it in your way, and then now you are upset with me. No, watch someone else that is going to deliver your message how you want it, or better yet, start your own channel so you can deliver your own messages. You understand? I've made it this far in this business, and I'm sorry, but I feel like I have the right in every like audacity to say, Hore, like, I'm an OG in what I'm doing. Like, I led the way for some other people, and it's okay to claim it. I want to claim it because, guys, yo, it was hard to get ya. It was really hard to get ya, but this is a corner. So if something is meant for you, it will happen for you. Now you must put the work in. Don't just hope and wish in your bed. No, hope and wish while you're doing something. But if something is meant for you, it is yours. Regardless of what people say, it is yours. Your tribe will always find you. I was just so happy to see people defending Upop in the comment section. I was like, yes, yes. How you guys love humbling South African content creators, and it's not fair. It really isn't fair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one.